Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable installing apps from unknown sources on your Amazon Fire Stick. So let's go ahead and scroll on over to settings on the home screen of the Fire Stick and select this. Now go on down to My Fire TV. Then under here we have developer options. So let's select this. Then go on down to apps from unknown sources. And this says turning on this setting enables you to install apps from unknown sources on your device. Be aware that installing or using apps from unknown sources may make your device and personal data more vulnerable to security risks or damages. So you can easily turn it on right here and you should be good to go. So if this video did indeed help you guys out, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.